In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize Shopify for your e-commerce needs, specifically focusing on installing and setting up a bundle app to enhance your store. Shopify offers a wide range of applications to boost your site's functionality, and today we'll delve into the step-by-step process of adding one such app to your Shopify store. First things first, let's start at the very beginning. Navigate to Shopify's website. You'll find yourself on the home page, which is your gateway to accessing your Shopify admin panel. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Click on the login button located typically at the top right corner of the page. This action will redirect you to a login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address. It's important to use the email associated with your Shopify account to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email address, proceed to type in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure that caps lock is turned off if you're facing difficulties logging in. After inputting your credentials, click on the login button to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Within your dashboard, you'll see various sections and shortcuts to manage your online store. However, our goal today is to install a new app. To begin this process, click on the Apps menu. This menu houses all the applications currently installed on your Shopify store, and it's also where you can explore more app options. After you're in the Apps section, look for the link or button that says All Recommended Apps. This area showcases apps recommended by Shopify, tailored to your store's needs based on its setup and previous app installations. However, since we're specifically interested in bundle applications today, you'll want to venture into the Shopify App Store. Therefore, click on Shopify App Store to open the vast world of apps available for Shopify users. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to type in Bundle. This action will present you with various bundle apps, each offering different features and functionalities that can enhance your store's selling strategies through product bundling options. Take your time to browse through these options. Look at the reviews, the features each app offers, and most importantly, whether they align with what you're looking for. Upon choosing a bundle app, click on it and you'll be directed to the app's detailed page. Here you can find more information about the app, such as its pricing, functionality, and user reviews. When you're ready to proceed with the installation, look for the Install button. Clicking on this will initiate the installation process. The app installation process may require you to confirm your decision, typically by asking you again to install the app. This confirmation is crucial because it may involve certain permissions for the app to operate effectively within your store. Go ahead and confirm by clicking on Install once more. After installation, the next steps are crucial for setting up the app. You'll likely be taken through a setup wizard or an onboarding process designed by the app developer. This process may start with a Get Started button, preceded by various setup stages like configuration settings, showcasing tips on making the most of the app, and ending with next steps to guide you through the entire configuration. Once the initial setup is complete, you'll often see an Enable button or similar. Clicking this means you're activating the app's features on your store. It's the final step to ensure everything you configured is now live and functional. Lastly, it's time to test the app and see it in action. An excellent way to do this is by applying it to a default product. Navigate to your product section within Shopify and select a product as your test subject. This allows you to see firsthand how the bundle options you've just set up will look to your customers. It's important to review every change directly from your customer's perspective. It ensures your bundles are appealing, functioning as intended, and most importantly, enhancing your store's shopping experience. Congratulations! You have now successfully navigated through the process of finding, installing, and setting up a bundle app on your Shopify store. This addition will not only streamline your product offerings, but can potentially increase your average order value by encouraging customers to buy more. Remember, the key to successfully utilizing Shopify apps lies in choosing those that align with your business goals and continually analyzing their performance for optimal results. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to grow your online business with Shopify.